Hey guys, it's Jack here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Substratum theme and make your own theme by using some overlays and mixing and matching them to create your own unique theme. Also DCRC is explained too. So the things that you need is APK Editor Pro, Substratum Theme Engine Lite and rooted device. So I have created this setup in almost 2 days with some help from Telegram, and most of the work is done by me. So for now I will disable all of the installed overlays and I will uninstall them too. Now I will disable all of the overlays by going into Manager tab of Substratum Theme Lite and then hit Disable Selected. So after getting disabled, your system UI will restart automatically. So now as you can see, every settings has been disabled and everything has been reverted to stock settings. And now I will uninstall all of the installed modules. Also make sure to restart Substratum, otherwise it won't work. If you don't restart, then you will get this infinite loading screen. If you did something like this, then don't worry, just close the app and then go back to the Manager tab of Substratum Lite and then select all, then hit Uninstall Selected. Then after that, all of the overlays that you installed will be nuked. So now I will tell you which subs does what and what are its purpose. First comes Acress subs. This subs is for icons. From here you can get different types of icons like battery icons, Wi-Fi icons, navbar and other icons too. Now comes Fake Immersive. This Substratum theme have different types of things like volume panel, custom toggle switch, notification panel style and header checkbox and other things like that. You can also change a loading animation with this. Then comes Loader Expert, which is too much to fit in this video as it has too many overlays, and I tried it for making something out of it, but most of the time I had system UI crashed, and currently I use it for setting icons only. As you can see, it has everything for every settings. Hina Cooler is mostly for VIPs due to its cool Vivify text in settings and that notification divider. It also includes some custom icons for Wi-Fi, signal and other things. Now comes the JR Infected version 2. This theme also have some nice overlays. So far I only used it for settings overlay, which makes the settings UI completely different. But it includes overlays for custom brightness, notification, header, panel and more things like that. Then comes Iconic Icon. As the name says, this theme is for icons only. You can change icons of QX styles, clear all, settings icons and icons for Wi-Fi network status bar and some more. Meteor subs is another theme for custom icons only. Naruto style can change your setting styles. Currently this theme includes overlays for search bar and about phone only and for some selected custom rooms. If you want a UI like this, then just download Pokémax Private and install all of the overlays and enable them. You will get this UI without any hassle. Simple Amba or Simple Map is another theme for icons only, which includes some cool and nice looking custom icons. Hardest one is for One UI style notification panel, which is only for Nusantra, LTS and EOL versions. SIS or Substratum Icon Special is also like Fake Immersive, but this includes some nice looking setting styles, clock styles, lock screen styles and more. Then comes Stardust UI, which is for all devices and it has some nice looking header and other things like that.
But wait Jack, you said this is for Nusantra, LTS and EOL versions.
No, this is for other devices too, and this one is Stardust UI, whereas that one is Stardust 1, which is for Nusantra, LTS and EOL versions. Both are completely different APKs. So to install overlays, just install them one by one and don't change other things. The top 3 color ABC options is for you to change them manually, and the Substratum theme will color them for you, and you can have gradient effect too from it. But if you want to change that and you want device accent, then just select color from accent or color follow accent if you have any of these available. And to install, just do it one by one instead of selecting all overlays. After installing, you will see a pop-up like this. Don't reboot now until you're done with all of the overlays. Just do the same thing with every overlays that you want, and I have increased the speed of the video to make video shorter. If you encountered something like this where you can see there is two options for overlay, fixed settings icons, white mode and type 2 variant, then just install the overlay from the one which you want to install and don't touch the other one, it won't install the other one. But if you opened it accidentally, then don't worry, just select the first option which has 3 dots at the end. So after installing, you can check them under Manager tab, and enabling them won't work until you reboot. I have also installed some extra icons which I can change directly without rebooting the device again. So now I will reboot my device so that these overlays are activated. Then after rebooting, open Substratum theme lighter, then go to Manager tab and then select all, then hit enable. Selected, it's done, but I won't be doing it because I have some extra overlays, so I need to disable them first. If you also have some extra icons or something extra, then just disable them before enabling the overlays. After you are done, just enable the selected ones. After enabling, you will see something like this, so don't panic, it is just normal and the system UI will restart, and boom, you got it. So as you can see, everything has been changed and the UI looks completely different now.
What is DCRC?
Decompile and recompile, aka DCRC, is for advanced users, in which you have to decompile an app, then move the overlays into it or edit the files as per your liking. So let's see how does it work. So to edit an APK, go to APK editor, then go to select an APK file, then select that file which you want to edit, then hit full edit, then decode all files, and then below you will see files tab where you can see all the files. After decoding, go to assets, overlays, Android settings, then simple bar, then go to layout, and then you can see XML file in that folder. Open that file and you can edit it. By the way, this APK is pre-edited, so I need to find the text where he added his own text and need to replace it. As you can see, here is the text that he wrote. So now I will remove the text that he wrote and insert my own text or whatever I want. You can do the same thing, but make sure that it is inside the quotes. So after you are done, make sure to save the file, which is located on the bottom. There is another line which I forgot to edit, which says hello my master, and there you can edit your own thing. This line is the first line and the one that I edited before is the second line. Here is the SS of the things which I changed. After you are done, make sure to hit that save icon. Then go back to the Android settings folder. Then open the highlighted folder. After that, open layout and then select that XML file and start editing it. Find the text and remove it and add your own thing, just like before. So it is simple, just remove the text and add your own text, but make sure it is in quotes and make sure that you don't change anything else, otherwise app might get corrupted or some things might not work. So wherever you see text in orange, that means it is changeable and it can be changed into anything else. Most of the lines that are edited contains text in orange. Then there is equal sign, and after that there is quotes, and in between these quotes you should enter your text. If you want the same settings, then just follow my steps as I do in this video. Also, if you are using different ROM and it is supported, then you can change according to your custom ROM. If you are using Resurrection Remix, then change according to it. And instead of changing Nusantara 1, use the overlay which says RR, Resurrection Remix.
You don't even see me. I'm hanging around, wasting time, hoping that you drop by. And I don't pretend to know what you want. I don't even know where to start, but I'm willing to try. Even if you push me under, it's only gonna make me stronger. It's only gonna feed my hunger. Say the words, say the words. Even if the tide stops turning, even if the world keeps burning, nothing's gonna stop this feeling. Say the words, say the words.
So after you are done, make sure to save the file, otherwise it won't save. Then after that you are done, then you can build the app. There is nothing more need to be changed. So after that, hit the build button which is up on the top right corner, and the app will build the app. After the build is done, you will get a prompt like this where you will get option to install or close. Then just install the app.
Watching the flames burn higher.
After installation is done, then close the APK editor and then go back to Substratum theme. Then select the Naruto style and apply the overlays which you edited. Search bar simple overlay can be used for any custom ROM. I'm not sure though. And for about phone overlay, choose the one which you edited for your device. If you are using Nusantara, then select Nusantara overlay, and if you are using Resurrection Remix, then select the Resurrection one. After that, reboot your device. So after rebooting, disable settings related overlays so that it won't conflict or create an issue. So once you are done, just go to Naruto style and enable the overlays from them by selecting the ones that you installed, or you can go to the manager tab and find the overlay from there, and you can enable from there too. After you enabled the overlays, as you can see, the header of the settings has been changed, and if you go into about phone settings, there you will find the difference too. So here is the things that are edited, and now as you can see, it shows my name over there and other things which I edited too. You can change the highlighted image too. Also, if you want a VB5 text in settings, then enable VB5 text from Hina Coolar, and as you can see, you will get VB5 text in settings. So now let's see how to edit that image which I showed you. So for this, follow the same steps as you did previously, but make sure to select APK from app, which is the second option, and it will let you select the apps from the installed list so that you don't need to edit the files except that image. After decoding, go to the settings folder, then go to about Nusantara, then go to drawable. Then there you can see the image which can be replaced, but make sure it is in PNG and in same resolution. To replace image, just long press the image, and then there you can see options, and do the same thing for drawable night folder. If you don't know the resolution, you can check it in APK editor. Then after that, just hit build button. After the build is done, make sure you uninstall the old edited file and install the new one. After uninstalling, you will see the default UI. Then open Substratum Lite again and enable the overlays which you edited. After installing, make sure to reboot device and then go back to Naruto style then enable the overlays from there. So now it is done, and I have also edited the spelling mistake. And here you got it. You have your fancy text and your fancy logo or image. If you are confused between footer strip, header and other things, then here is the image. If you see something like this in the end where it says custom ROM name, that means it is for that specific ROM only, and if you see for all, that means it is for all. So what are you waiting for? Go and start building your own theme and make it look sexy AF. So in the end, you have to try it by yourself and find out which things does what, as I am not that great in Substratum theme. Most of the Substratum theme channels provides guides and tutorials if there is a new theme, so that you can easily recreate that theme. If you ever faced black screen or boot loop issue, then just disable this module from OrangeFox recovery if you have that, or just flash rescue zip from recovery. So with that said, I hope that this Substratum tutorial helps you create your own theme more easily. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram.
I need my soul to scream out.